And too much boy.
It's like, oh, you might get eaten. You might get this. You never know. You might get nothing.
I've had AT&T since they were singular.